Hi, 你好, I'm Chef Tom, making vegetable rice. Special wok. Nice and hot. Add some vegetable cooking oil. And here we have some ginger and garlic. This recipe is more like a home cooking, traditional cooking. And then you just add in whatever vegetable you have at home. Especially the one left over, you need to cook it. You know what I'm talking about? So I have carrot, mushroom, peas, wood ear mushroom, and the baby corn. I'm going to stir it until aromatic, very colorful, healthy. Rice and vegetable, always good to go. Here I add some white pepper. And now is the time for you to look into the fridge. I found something. Green bean. Put it in. Toss it. The next thing, I'm going to add some flavor. Here I got some soy sauce. Almost like a fried rice. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. I can smell the basic fried rice ingredient, but we're not doing the fried rice because here I have some raw rice. How much is it? I don't know, 1 pint, right? But whatever you add the cooking rice in, and we are going to add 1.5 amount of the water in. This rice I got is super clean. The process is really good. You don't need to wash it. Very fine rice or rinse it. But if you get some rice need to be washed, go right ahead. So now the rice and vegetable got great flavor, and I'm going to add 1.5. I always measure 1 raw rice to 1.5. Whatever, cup or scoop, to make our cooking life easier, right? So now I want to make sure all the raw rice on the top of the wok, we need to bring it down. The only trick here, you do want to make sure your bottom of the wok not to burn. Very important. Okay, so now we're just going to let this beautiful rice and healthy vegetable, I got some shrimp and chicken too, so they have nice broth. You can see the broth is start forming nice flavor. Now we're just going to bring up to a simmer. You know why? Because we want to give them a taste. Make sure they taste good. Bring up to a simmer. That's what I mean. Little tiny little bubble. You see, I can feel the bottom ready to like stuck to the bottom of the wok. So occasionally you need to come in and stir a little bit. Okay, I want to make sure nothing rice. You hear that? Nothing scrape stuck on the bottom of the wok. There we go. And then we're gonna turn the fire really low to simmer. Meantime, we're gonna taste. So good. I already can taste all the vegetable and the shrimp and chicken ginger garlic combined. However, I know my kids like to eat a little bit more flavor, sodium. So I add more soy sauce. Just eyeball it. Give them a quick stir. You see, when you cook something with the low heat, they're not easy to stick at the bottom of the wok. Okay, now you can see the color. You see the color is getting darker. I'm gonna try again. This time it's spot on. So what am I going to do next? Okay. Lid, cover up. Oh, fit perfectly. Of course, because they come in a set. Like this. Low heat. Simmer for 25 minutes. And then I turn it off. Walk away for another 20-25 minutes. And we're ready to eat. Okay, 25 minutes simmer. I turn the fire off and let them rest for 25 minutes. Now we open up. Oh, you see that? Yes, smells so amazing. Now we can just see the rice is perfectly cooked underneath. Oh, no burn. Very tiny, the bottom one, which is okay. I'm gonna give a taste. Some shrimp and some baby corn. It's very hot, be careful. Wow. Very tender, a lot of flavor. It's an easier way to cook your rice, don't you think? Something different. Be creative. Use all kind of ingredient flavor that you like. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.